Greetings and welcome to Smartwatch Ticks. We're a YouTube channel dedicated to smartwatches and smartwatch technology, and we're on the web at smartwatchticks.com. What are we looking at? Oh, this is the new TicWatch Pro. That's right, and it's a really special watch. Are you all primed and ready for it? There's meaning to that. I'll tell you about that in a minute. In the meantime, you're looking at one of two screens that this watch has. This one is the one that gets bright in the sunlight. When you're outdoors, you get this LCD kind of screen that gives you time, date, and steps, with more coming through firmware updates, the TicWatch folks say. And when you twist it or activate it to bring up the regular screen, it's full color, it's bright, and it works indoors or pretty well visible outdoors as well. You can activate it with the button too. Want to see some of the features on this watch? This is an executive summary type of a review. Later, down below or over on the side, you'll be able to click to get to a full hour-long review, which is going to be very extensive. But just for overview purposes, you could see from that swipe down screen, we can select a lot of different things. Here's some settings you can go into. System, storage, personalization, where you can activate things like touch the screen to turn it on or twist and shout. All those goodies are there. When you slide to the side, you can get into different watch faces. And don't know if you guys realize this, but there's a cool one called Watchmaker. It's actually an app. When you get Watchmaker, you can download hundreds, if not thousands, of watch faces, and you can even design your own using a little workshop that we've got here at Smartwatch Ticks. You're looking at a watch face right now that's from Watchmaker. When you press and hold, you can get into a subset where you see all kinds of other watch faces. All of these have been downloaded directly into the TicWatch Pro. And once you have them on the screen, you can use them as a regular watch face or slide out of it and get back into your standard watch faces. If you scroll up, you get into all of your notifications. They're just listed here one after another as pushed from your phone. That's right, to your watch. When I press and hold here, I can go into an app drawer that includes a variety of stock as well as user installable Android Wear watches. There's a whole portfolio of fitness built into this watch, including Google Fit, that gives you your step information, heart rate information, variety of different workouts that you've done or can do, and they have their own fitness app as well. When you get into this, you can choose different types of workouts that you'd like to do. Once you activate them, go into them, it acquires GPS even indoors practically instantly. You can set different goals in duration, in minutes that you'd like to do it, or distance because it's done by GPS, or even total calories burned. When you activate it, and you're on the go screen, you, with even out no goals set, can go a free form, run or walk or cycling that's going to give you your heart rate and tell you what zone you're in. It's going to show you your miles per hour and calories burned, even your pace and number of steps. That's in this particular one. I'm in auto pause because I'm not moving. I can pull out of this thing, as simple as that, get my summary. And if I want to save it, share it, or delete it, I can do all that right from this screen. Full fitness capability integrated with the onboard GPS, but that's not all. You've got dual button capability, and I've programmed flashlight, which is one of the many options in here, and simply by pushing it, I can bring it up. There's a super bright flashlight. I can turn it off, turn it on, and I can exit it simply by pressing here. I've got stopwatches, alarms, and all these other things like a compass are apps that I've added to the watch, but the watch happens to have the compass capability built into it, and it navigates really, really well. So as a full Android Wear watch, this TicWatch Pro with removable bands is a complete package. Nice metal back, heart rate sensor, it appears to be quite accurate, a charger that connects right in there, 2 buttons. Very nice watch. So that's like an executive summary look at this TicWatch Pro. For the full review, click in one of the corners at the end of this video or click down below and you can link over to our hour-long full detailed review of this watch. For now though, just to get you started, it comes with this charging dock that slaps onto the bottom and holds on good and strong, and it comes tethered to this app, formerly TicWatch, that if you take a look at what it does, it links and syncs right up to your watch where you can get your step information. You can set up special routines and routes that you use, and you can wire up your smart home paraphernalia that you can control directly from the TicWatch Pro. That's right. Here's some more information that is shown in the app. You get a nice graph with all of your step and calendar information and all of your different events that you've done, including how you set up your health information and details about you. So all that's available, all this is available, and you can only get it right now in July and August from Amazon, and only if you're a Prime member. So prime yourself up, check the show notes down below, click to link over to Amazon, pick this thing up. If it's after August, then check the show notes again, because whatever other buying sources are available that we can find to get you a good price on the TicWatch Pro, we will have them down there for you. All right? Now, to tell you a couple of things about some fun stuff you'll see in the full review, check out this replaced band on here. Because they're removable and replaceable, you can have all sorts of combinations. Coming up in the full review. One more thing, I just finished editing most of this, and I've got some points I want to bring up because this is an important video. This is going to lay the foundation for a lot of future stuff. We'll be talking about the TicWatch Pro. First of all, yeah, the Amazon Prime exclusive, the only place you can get it is Amazon. If you're a Prime member, goes through August the 15th. But if you're not Prime, or even if you are and you missed that date, Amazon's own exclusive is through September 30th of 2018. So Amazon's going to be your buying source for the next couple of months or more. And when I was mentioning Android Wear, I'm so used to just saying Android or Android Wear. Well, it's official. Google has its own copyrighted trademark name, WearOS. So anytime you heard me say Android Wear, I meant WearOS, okay? Now, watch faces, we're going to be talking about for example, this watch face here comes from an app called Watchmaker. In the full review, we're going to talk about that. We're also going to tell you how you can make your own watch faces using Watchmaker. But beyond that, in the Google Play Store and in the App Store on the watch, you can get custom watch faces from a variety of companies, including some that come directly from the TicWatch folks. That's right. Check it out. Just go in and Google WearOS watch faces and see what you come up with. Then I also wanted to mention that NFC payments I talked about are Google Pay, not Google Play. That's the Google Play Store. All right. Now, final thing to let you know, there's a whole memory management thing going on in here for better battery power with those 2 different screens. By the way, you notice that the black and white screen isn't on right now. It's always on in this color screen. Well, it looks like it is, but if I actually touch it, it'll change slightly. That's because I've overridden that one and put in just a custom one. Going to eat the battery faster. There, you see it changed? But it's going to keep this kind of display on. If you want that other display, and I think we saw that, when it's active, can come down here. Yes, and we can go over here, and it's going to put it in this memory or power saving mode, basically perpetually. All right, there's a lot that goes to this, and we're covering this in the full review, but I'm going to show it to you now so you can read about it. There's different combinations of the ways you can use your watch to get better battery life or longer use but shorter battery life. And these are, 7 to 30 days for the health fitness focus. Anyway, take this into account, watch the full review if you want to know more, and that'll clarify it. Okay. You've been watching Smartwatch Tics. Yes, you have. Hope you subscribe, by the way. We're going to have a few special secret video clips on this for subscribers only. Things like how do you set up NFC for making purchases using Google Play from your TicWatch. We don't put that out for everybody, only if you're really interested. And if you are, you're going to subscribe, right? All right. We'll see you again real soon. And be sure to check out that full review right now.